Alright, so we want to be able to solve for the equation to prove the almighty formula, which is if we have a quadratic equation, a equals to as squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we want to be able to solve this equation using almighty formula. So we want to prove that our x is equals to minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac everything over 2a. So how are we going to achieve this? So from here, so for example, you can be given the quadratic equation. After getting proving this formula, we saw one example using this method. So can we go ahead? So the first thing to write is to write the equation out. As squared, the general quadratic equation, which is as squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is the coefficient of s squared, b is the coefficient of x, c is the coefficient is the constant, so it's just a number. And then we know that the rule is that a must not be equals to 0. A must not be equals to 0. So this is the definition of a quadratic equation. So the first thing to do, the step 1, is to divide through by a, which is the coefficient of s squared. Divide through by a. So what do we have? We have a s squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So divided by a, divided by a, divided by a. So what do we do? It cancels out. So we have s squared plus bx over a plus c over a equals to 0. Then the next thing to do is to carry this one to the other side. We have a s squared plus bx over a is equals to minus c over a. So after establishing this, go to the coefficient of x. Coefficient, let me call this one equation 2. Coefficient of x is b over a. So then divide it by 2 and then square it. Divide it by 2 and square it. So add the answer to both sides, of the equation of equation 2. So what do we have? B over a. When you divide it by 2, you get b over 2a. When you square it, you have this. Let me write it properly. That's b squared over 2a squared, which is equals to b squared over 4a squared. So this guy should be added to both sides in equation 1 and 2. So let's continue. S squared plus bx over a is equals to minus c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. I've not added it to this side. That is plus b squared over 4a squared is equals to this. So you will see that let me write it out properly so that it will be clear. Plus bx over a plus b squared over 4a squared equals to minus c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. You can see they can still cancel out each other, so we have not changed the equation. So it is still what we know, so we have not changed the equation. So it's just that we manipulate it so that we will be able to factorize this and this. So we know that with this, since we have s squared and b squared over 4a squared here, which is so we can say this entire thing is equals to x plus b over 2a all square. Yes, by the time you expand this, you will notice that you will get this. So just take this x and just take this b over 2a too and put everything in square. By the time you open it, you are going to get this. So just leave that. So what do we have at this side? Let's take the SCM. The SCM is 4a squared. And if a can see 4a squared, you can see 4a times this, that's minus 4ac. How many 4a squared can you see in 4a squared? That's 1 multiplied by b squared. That gives us b squared. And we have x plus b over 2a all squared is equals to b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. So from here you can take the square root of both sides. We have x plus b over 2a is equals to square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. So that's square root of everything. So what do we have? We have x plus b over 2a is equals to root b squared minus 4ac. Root 4a squared will give us 2a. Root 4 is 2, root a squared is a. So that is, we have x is equals to minus b over 2. Just make s equal to the formula plus, this one is plus or minus. So plus or minus, since square root will give us plus or minus, square root of a number is plus or minus. So let me just add it in. So root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So the common terms, the common LCM is 2a. So what we just do, that's minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac x is equals to, so, and that is our proving. So we have seen that x equals to minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac. So in the next video we are going to solve questions for example.